Today, I'm super excited to share with you how to cook the perfect tilapia fish at home. It's simple, delicious, and will have your taste buds dancing. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, the tilapia. It's a mild flavored fish, making it perfect for soaking up all those amazing flavors we'll be adding. Make sure you start with fresh fillets for the best results. Alright, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a couple of tilapia fillets, some olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs. I love using parsley and a bit of thyme. It gives the fish a fresh and zesty kick. Now let's get cooking. Start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. While the oil is heating up, season those fillets with a pinch of salt and pepper on both sides. You want that seasoning to stick on the fish and enhance its natural flavors. Once the oil's hot and shimmering, gently lay the tilapia fillets into the pan. Hear that sizzle? That's music to my ears. Cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it flakes easily with a fork. A golden brown crust means it's cooked to perfection. Now, let's add the garlic. Toss in a couple of minced garlic cloves, letting them mingle with the olive oil and fish. The aroma is just irresistible. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice for that tangy zest. Don't be shy, this step really brightens up the dish. Finally, sprinkle your chosen herbs over the top. This is where the magic happens. The herbs will bring a delightful fragrance that complements the tilapia beautifully. And there you have it, folks, a simple yet exquisite dish ready to be served. Pair it with some steamed veggies or a light salad, and you've got yourself a meal that's sure to impress. So, what do you think? Ready to give this tilapia recipe